Auger Tech is with you. Today I will tell you what factors you need to pay attention to when ordering screw products. Let's go. So, friends, I would recommend that you contact only those companies that have a complete production cycle of screw products. Namely, this is the equipment on which these products are made. In our case, for example, we ourselves make horizontal presses for the production of augers. We make welding rotators in order to efficiently weld screw products, and we make similar equipment at our factory, and this also allows us to close the full cycle of manufacturing screw products. This is a machining shop. This is flexible coils. This is laser cutting of coils directly. This is a scientific and production base in the form of our design department, which designs drift products every day according to the customer's specifications. Well, actually, if you choose such a company, it means that you will not have a breakdown in terms of deadlines, you will have high-quality products. And if you find an intermediary company that, roughly speaking, orders coils here, machining there, and roughly speaking, are just dealers, that is, they cannot be fully responsible for the quality and timing of the screws. And we bear this responsibility. Therefore, friends, I urge you to order screw products only from trusted suppliers, and it is better to have equipment that does a full assembly cycle of screw products. In our case, these are GP series machines that bend any geometry of screw turns with a thickness of 2 to 50 millimeters. And you can purchase this equipment and use welding rotators in your production, which, by means of an equidistant translational rotational motion, weld these products. We also have a multi-press that can make you different styles. Mass production. Well, you can buy other screw equipment that is used in our production from us by following the link in the description. Familiarize yourself with the entire list and choose for yourself the equipment that you need and avoid intermediaries by making screw products in your production. Thanks for attention.